So now's probably a good time to tell you what I'm actually doing rather than just driving. I'm going to go and meet the person who runs the Model 3 Owners Club. He's the co-host on the Model 3 Owners Club YouTube channel, and I'm also going to meet some other EVers, and also I'm going to see Craig while I'm down there. I've got to drive to Nottingham, but I'm going to stop at Tidwell Services for a charge, so put that in first. Got 68 miles, so I could make it there all the way on one charge, but I want to come straight back when it's finished, come and walk my dog. So I will drive to Tidwell, get a 5-minute boost on the Ecotricity, and also if it's blocked it means I can just stop on the way back later. So let's get there. Helps if I start the engine. Now, I'm currently at Tidwell Ecotricity, and I'm going to go and plug in. Now, I'm going to leave the camera to record how I plug in, and then I'll probably add some sound overlay to explain what I actually did. Now, the first thing I do when I get to an Ecotricity charger is check if it's on FREEVEND. If it's on FREEVEND, the screen will look like that. If not, launch the Ecotricity app and get it ready and open your charge flap. Now, you'll notice when I got to this Ecotricity charger, the charger wasn't put away correctly, so at the end of the video I'll show you how to put away the pump properly. Now when it launches the app, you'll have a charge or find plump, click charge, then it'll say scan QR code or enter pump ID, so I'll click scan QR code and scan the QR code on there. Then the next section will come up to confirm that you're at the right services, press yes, then select AC or DC charging, so obviously I'm on the Zoe, I'll select AC rapid. Then it'll ask you to confirm that connector, press continue again. It'll then ask you to confirm the energy price. If you're on Ecotricity tariff it'll be less. Then it'll ask you to select which card you're using to pay. So select your card. Then it'll ask you to enter the CCV number from the back of your credit card. So you'll need to get your credit card out of your wallet like I have, and also enter the CCV numbers. Then once you've entered them in and finally put your wallet back in your pocket, you can connect the car to the Ecotricity charger. On obviously the Zoe, the plug will lock, and I like to just confirm on the charger that the charge is started. And there we go, we're started, that's great. Well, it's plugged in, it's charging, and I'm just going to stay here for 10 minutes. I'm probably going to go and grab a coffee. According to the sat nav, I should make it on time. Ooh, best noise ever. The fans have kicked in on the Zoe, which means the battery's hot, which means I should get 43 kilowatts. Good old summer. So I did rag it down here as well. I proper drove at 72 miles an hour just to get the battery temperature warm. So it's charging now, give it 10 minutes. That should give me enough miles to get to Nottingham and enough miles to get back, as long as I drive a little bit more eco on the way back. But I was running late, so I wanted to get down here pretty quick, and I also wanted to try and bang a rapid in on this service station. So I'm just going to go and grab a coffee, and I do hope these solar panels at Tidwell are powering this Ecotricity charger, because that'd be really cool. I'll just show you. I don't know if you see it, but basically that roof there is absolutely covered in solar panels. Costa coffee, and still charging. So how long have I been here according to Ecotricity? Let's have a look. Okay, so Ecotricity, roughly 34 minutes remaining, 45 minutes. So I've been here just over 10 minutes. I've pulled 7.4 kilowatts, so fairly quick. I think I'm going to stop the charge and get moving. I've just realised before I get moving, I better show you how to put the AC plug back, because the person before didn't put it back. Now the first thing you need to do is press stop on the Ecotricity app to stop the charge, and then you need to disconnect the plug from the car using the key, pressing the disconnect for the socket so it unlocks your Type 2. Now the one thing that people don't realise on the Ecotricity charger is the little grey hook on the machine
is not for the plug, it's for this loop in the cable. So pick that up, re-hook that on the loop that the cable was on before, and then tuck the AC plug inside the housing inside the charger. And I always check the other chargers to make sure they're put away correctly, and if not, I'd put them away correctly for the next driver.
Then it doesn't fill up for water with the next Zoe owner.
Thanks to all of my subscribers for helping me hit 1,000 subscribers. If you've enjoyed this video and you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button. If not, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Goodbye.